Hi everyone, welcome. So today we are diving into the fundamental programming problem, finding the largest element in the array, and let's break it step by step. Before that, let's understand what an array. Think of an array as a collection or list of items, like a row of boxes where each boxes can hold a number. For example, if we have an array like 3, 7, 1, 9, and 5, we have a list of numbers and we want to work with these numbers as a group. Now, our problem statement, our task is simple. We need to find the largest number in the list. If we have an array like 3, 7, 1, 9, 5, the largest number is the 9. Let's see why this is useful and imagine you are organizing, suppose you are organizing the game and need to find out who has the highest score. You would use same technique to find the highest score from the list of the scores. Why this is important basically. So finding the largest element in array is a common task in the programming. It's a basic for more complex operations and helps in the sorting, searching, and many other programs. So understand the how to efficiently find the largest number will also help you with other problems. So where we need to the compare elements. Let's start with the brute force approach. This method is straightforward. We simply look at each number in the list and keep track of the largest one. Imagine you are sorting through the stack of papers, checking each one to see which has the highest number. This is what the method does. We can do the coding on that thing. Suppose we need to create a function. We need to add the function name as the number. We need to pass array in the parameters. Now we need to start with the first number. Then we need to store the first number in the max. So we can consider the first number as the max. Okay. Now we need to add the loop. Then let I equal to start from 1, I less than equal to array dot length, and I plus plus array dot length plus I plus plus. Okay. So now we need to check if the current array of I is greater than the max. The max is the first element. If it is greater than, then we need to add the max like the greater number in that max, and we need to return the max. Okay, this is the return. Okay, now I can say like console.log find largest number. Okay, so this is the brute force approach. Okay, so for the we can for more optimal we can go for the recursive approach. So now let's look at the recursive approach. This method breaks the program into the smaller pieces, and this like basically thing of it is like you break down the task into the smaller tasks until you reach a point where it's easy to solve. Okay, so for that thing, so we need to code like the function and the find largest with the optimal. Okay, so we are passing array. Okay, and giving the start equal to 0. Okay, so we need to add that condition. What condition is? Suppose start is equal to array dot length minus 1, then we need to return the array of star. Okay, and so here we need to find the recursion. So for that thing we need to create one variable, the max in rest. Okay, so array and start plus 1. Okay, and we need to return what is the max. Okay, we are using the max. Okay, max start and max and rest. Okay, so now we need to check. console.log and then array. Okay. Why? Because of we written the wrong spell. Because of so we are maximum call stack exit. Why? So now why it is given. Okay. So we need to check why. Base cases we written the last number. Okay. And yeah. So that array dot length we need to add, but now we are able to run the code. Okay, so now you can able to see the both codes. Okay, the both method will get you the largest number. The brute force approach is the straightforward and easy to understand, while the recursive approach is a bit more advanced and shows the how problems can be broken down into the smaller parts. And basically, and that's it for defining the largest element in the array. I hope this explanation helps you to understand the both approaches. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the programming tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.